All right, team. So I wanted to let you know this is phase 2 from phase 1 being up by the medical office and the ramp. So what we're going to do after we get our feet wet on phase 1, phase 2 is 3 units, and we are going to take the center one down completely, then take that down and take that down, and then rebuild from outside to inside. We are going to pretty much be right here where basically I would say in the first 30% of this building. I know that we had talked about this line being down, so let's have that discussion. We will not be doing this Monday. It'll be more like Tuesday, Wednesday, depending on how the phase 1 goes. We are going to be removing this section right here. Our exhaust fans we will leave running, as we are going to have a large enough telehandler to boom up to pick these out. So we will need to secure an area from this dock door. And we can work with the guys in this man door, because here's your main panels. So we can work with everybody. Let's have that discussion Monday morning, and we'll talk to you all then.